In this video, we'll be covering how to give permissions in Asana step by step so you can manage your projects more efficiently. By the end, you'll be able to control who sees what in your workspace and ensure that the right people have access to the right information. Stick around till the end because I'll also share an exclusive extended free trial offer that you don't want to miss. The first thing you need to know when giving permissions in Asana is the concept of roles. There are three main roles in Asana: project owners, members, and guests. Each of these roles has different access levels, and understanding the differences will help you assign the right permissions to the right people. Next, let's talk about project owners. The project owner has the highest level of permissions. They can edit, add, or remove tasks, assign team members, and adjust the project settings. You can assign a project owner when creating a new project or by clicking on the project name, going to the project settings, and selecting the owner from the list of team members. This is especially important if you're collaborating with a team and need someone to oversee the entire project. The third thing to know is about members. A member can interact with almost all aspects of a project, but with some restrictions compared to the project owner. For example, they can add tasks and comment, but they cannot delete or manage project settings. To make someone a member, you can simply invite them to the project by selecting Add Members in the project's header, then typing their name or email address. Next, we have guests. Guests are usually people who are not part of your team but need access to specific tasks or projects. This might be useful if you're collaborating with an external contractor or a client. Guests only have access to the projects that you assign them to, and they can only interact with the tasks within those projects. To add a guest, you just need to invite them like you would a member, but ensure they're marked as a guest when you send the invite. The next thing you need to know is permissions for specific tasks. Once you set the general project permissions, you can control access to individual tasks within a project. To do this, just open the task and select the assignee or collaborators, limiting who can edit or comment on that task. This is helpful for situations where some tasks are sensitive and you want to restrict access only to specific team members. The final thing to note is team-level permissions. In addition to project-level permissions, Asana also lets you manage team permissions. You can decide if someone should be a part of the entire team, with access to all projects within that team, or just added to specific projects. This is done by going to your team settings and selecting the permissions for each individual. As a recap, giving permissions in Asana is straightforward once you understand the different roles: project owners, members, and guests. You can also fine-tune permissions for specific tasks and control access at the team level to keep everything organized and secure. Now, before you go, remember that Asana can be used completely free, and if you sign up using the first link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial with some bonus features to make your workflow even smoother. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips like this on using Asana efficiently.